Is your Ford Focus displaying a tire sensor not detected warning? This typically means the tire pressure monitoring system isn't reading a sensor or needs recalibration after a tire change or rotation. The Ford Focus primarily uses an indirect TPMS, which estimates tire pressure via wheel speed sensors, though some models have direct TPMS with physical sensors. First, ensure your tires are properly inflated. Then, attempt a TPMS Relearn. With the ignition on, engine off, navigate to Settings, Vehicle, TPMS, Relearn, using your steering wheel controls. Drive at 25 to 50 miles per hour for 10 to 20 minutes. This allows the system to recalibrate. If the warning persists, proceed to the next section. If the tire sensor not detected warning persists after attempting a relearn procedure, several underlying issues may be at play. Common causes include a faulty sensor, a dead sensor battery, which typically lasts 5 to 10 years, or a more complex electrical problem within the system. For persistent errors, use an OBD2 scanner to check for specific TPMS diagnostic codes, such as C002, C0027, which can pinpoint the exact issue. Based on user forums and reports, resetting codes or attempting DIY fixes after the 2023 software patches tend to be less effective, often necessitating professional diagnosis instead. While some users have had success by driving 15 miles at highway speeds after a code reset, this method is temporary and does not guarantee a permanent fix. In newer Ford Focus models, built-in anti-theft features can make TPMS resets more complex, often requiring professional dealer assistance to avoid system conflicts. Both experts and Ford themselves advise seeking professional help to prevent voiding your warranty. If DIY approaches fail, take your vehicle to a Ford dealership for comprehensive diagnosis and, if needed, sensor replacement.